Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Goddess Oshun, renowned as the southwestern Nigeria goddess of love, beauty, and fertility. Part 1, C. Significance of Goddess Oshun. What does Oshun represent in mythology? Goddess Oshun holds significant importance in the Yoruba religion and various Afro-Caribbean and Afro-Latin traditions. She is an orisha, a deity or spirit, associated with love, beauty, sensuality, fertility, abundance, and the rivers. Oshun is particularly revered in the Yoruba pantheon and is known as the goddess of sweet waters, representing the flowing and life-giving qualities of rivers. She embodies feminine power and is considered the patroness of love and relationships, marriage, and the arts. Oshun is often depicted as a beautiful woman, adorned with gold and dressed in vibrant yellow or amber-colored garments, reflecting her association with wealth, prosperity, and joy. She is associated with honey and sweets, symbolizing her sweetness and the pleasures of life. People seek Oshun's blessings and guidance in matters of love, fertility, creativity, and emotional well-being. She is also called upon for healing, particularly for issues related to the reproductive system. Oshun is believed to bring joy, harmony, and abundance into people's lives. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Oshun. Embracing the eternal feminine and the transformative power of love. Goddess Oshun qualities resonate deeply with humanity. As an archetype, she represents the eternal feminine, embodying the essence of love, beauty, sensuality, and fertility. Oshun's radiant energy and captivating charm make her a symbol of allure and magnetism, drawing people towards her with an irresistible aura. She exemplifies the power of feminine intuition and emotional intelligence, guiding individuals towards healing, compassion, and emotional well-being. Oshun's association with wealth and abundance extends beyond material prosperity to encompass a deep appreciation for the richness of life and the bountiful gifts of the universe. Her archetype speaks to the transformative power of love and the ability to create harmony and balance within oneself and in relationships. Part 3. Symbols associated with Goddess Oshun. Elegance in nature. Oshun's affinity with peacocks and butterflies. Goddess Oshun is usually depicted with various symbols, including plants and animals. These representations capture her divine attributes and powers. Sunflowers symbolize her radiant energy and ability to bring light and warmth into people's lives. Water lilies, growing in serene waters, represent her connection to fertility, renewal, and purification. Peacock feathers reflect her beauty, grace, and regality, showcasing the abundance she bestows upon her devotees. The peacock itself signifies her elegance, charm, and pride, while yellow butterflies embody transformation, joy, and the fleeting nature of life as messengers of her blessings. Bees, symbolizing diligence, productivity, and the sweetness of life, illustrate her promotion of cooperation, community, and resource sharing among her followers. Part 4. The story of Goddess Oshun. Rivers of resilience. The tale of the Yoruba Goddess. Once upon a time, in the ancient land of Yoruba, there lived a goddess named Oshun. She was a radiant and captivating deity, known for her enchanting beauty and charismatic presence. Oshun was revered as the goddess of love, fertility, beauty, and abundance, and her powers extended over rivers, streams, and all bodies of water. Oshun's story began in a humble village, nestled by a vibrant river. From an early age, she displayed extraordinary grace, charm, and wisdom. Her laughter echoed through the village, bringing joy and happiness to all who heard it. As Oshun grew older, her reputation spread far and wide, and people from distant lands sought her guidance and blessings. One day, an evil sorcerer named Ife came to know of Oshun's immense power and desired it for himself. Consumed by envy and darkness, he devised a wicked plan to capture Oshun and steal her divine energy. Ife lured Oshun into a trap, casting a spell that drained her vitality and left her weakened. However, Oshun's spirit remained unbroken. She called upon her innate strength and resilience, determined to overcome the sorcerer's malevolent plot. Drawing upon the energy of the river that flowed through her veins, Oshun immersed herself in its healing waters. The river embraced her, restoring her energy and empowering her with even greater resilience. With renewed vigor, Oshun confronted Eve. She unleashed her divine powers, weaving a tapestry of love and compassion that encircled the sorcerer. As Ife felt the weight of his own darkness, he realized the error of his ways and pleaded for forgiveness. Oshun, ever merciful, granted him a chance at redemption, guiding him towards the path of light and healing. News of Oshun's triumph over darkness spread like wildfire, and people from all corners of the world flocked to her sanctuary. They sought her blessings, pouring out their hopes, dreams, and prayers. Oshun, with her infinite wisdom, listened to their pleas and bestowed her love and abundance upon those who showed genuine devotion and gratitude. Through her teachings, Oshun encouraged unity, kindness, and the celebration of beauty in all its forms. She inspired artists to create masterpieces that captured the essence of love, and she guided healers in their quest to mend broken hearts and bodies. Oshun's presence infused every aspect of life, reminding people of the transformative power of love and the necessity of nurturing one's own inner radiance. And so, Goddess Oshun's legacy endured through the ages, her story a testament to the triumph of light over darkness and the unwavering power of love. Her devotees continued to honor her, cherishing her divine qualities and embracing her teachings to bring harmony, abundance, and joy into their lives. Oshun's enchanting spirit flowed eternally, her essence forever entwined with the hearts and souls of all who called upon her. Part 5. 3. Strategies for personal transformation. Tapping into the power of the ocean archetype. Strategy 1. Cultivating positive emotions. Neuroscience research suggests that cultivating positive emotions can lead to significant personal transformation. Inspired by Oshun's association with joy and vitality, practice consciously generating positive emotions such as gratitude, love, and happiness. This can be done through activities like gratitude journaling, meditation, or engaging in creative pursuits. By focusing on positive emotions, you can rewire your brain and create new neural pathways that promote a more positive and transformative mindset. Strategy 2. Focus on self-love. To embark on a personal transformation journey, it is essential to focus on self-love to feel empowered. Practice self-care, engage in positive affirmations, and challenge self-limiting beliefs. By embracing your worth and inner strength, you empower yourself to make positive changes and manifest transformation in various areas of life. Strategy 3. Nurturing loving relationships. Oshun is known as the goddess of love and relationships in Yoruba culture. Cultivate healthy and loving relationships with friends, family, and romantic partners. Practice empathy, compassion, and active listening in your interactions. Communicate openly and honestly. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that, at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. 1. Find a quiet and serene space where you can perform your ritual undisturbed. Set up an altar or sacred space dedicated to Oshun. Decorate it with symbols associated with her, such as sunflowers, water lilies, peacock feathers, and candles in vibrant colors. 2. Gather ritual tools including a chalice or cup of water, a small bowl of honey, a mirror, and any personal items that hold significance for you and Oshun. 3. Begin by cleansing yourself and the ritual space. You can use smudging tools like sage, palo santo, or incense to purify the energy. 4. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and visualize roots extending from your feet, grounding you to the earth. Feel its supportive energy and let go of any distractions or negativity. 5. Light the candles on your altar, starting with a candle representing Oshun. Recite an invocation, calling upon the presence and blessings of Goddess Oshun. Express your respect, gratitude, and intention for the ritual. 6. You may use traditional prayers or speak from your heart, expressing your personal connection to Oshun and your desire to honor and connect with her energy. 7. Pour water into the chalice, symbolizing the cleansing and life-giving power of Oshun's rivers. Take a small amount of honey from the bowl and place it on your fingertips. 8. Reflect on the qualities of Oshun that resonate with you and express your devotion through words, songs, or a heartfelt poem. You can also offer personal items or gifts that hold significance to you or reflect Oshun's themes, such as beauty or creativity. Allow yourself to connect deeply with her energy, opening your heart and mind to receive any messages, insights, or guidance she may offer. 9. Engage in meditation or visualization that allows you to feel Oshun's love, beauty, and abundance flowing into your life. You may imagine yourself bathed in golden light or surrounded by blooming flowers, embracing her transformative energies. 10. Express your gratitude to Oshun for her presence, guidance, and blessings. Thank her for her wisdom, love, and the abundance she brings into your life. Slowly extinguish the candles, starting with the one representing Oshun, while expressing your closing prayers or affirmations. 11. Take a moment to ground yourself again, feeling your connection with the earth and allowing the energy of the ritual to settle within you. A final message, words of wisdom from Oshun. The art of living lies in our ability to cultivate joy, to find solace in the simplest pleasures, and to rejoice in the magnificence of every breath we take. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.